following message has translated request of the United States government at 19:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A new war is gonna happen at the next 4 days and taking place at Ukraine. It is very important to evacuate immediately so you won't stay there in 4 days or else Russians will come. This is why they are coming to kill Ukrainians for taking place in NATO, the company that helps countries peace so they stop wars or attacks in other countries. Stay tuned for my information.
Breaking news, today we have people evacuations Ukraine right now and we on live. This is why a new invasion is happening at the next 3 days. This is why, first, they joined NATO. Second, Russia is not happy with Ukraine. And third and last of all, he is gonna invade Ukraine for more land. We have a special guest here today. Say hello, pirate.
Yeah, mateys, it's me, the pirate, you guys. So, Tom, what brings you here today?
So, we are seeing that Ukrainians are escaping from Ukraine because Russia is gonna invade it. So tell me, what did Ukraine did and made Russia very angry?
Well, Ukrainians are escaping from their country because Russia is gonna invade it. I hate Russia, I do anyways. Many people have escaped the Ukraine country and gone to other places such as United Kingdom, United States, and more countries back. To you, Tom.
Thank you for your suggestion, pirate. Okay, in the weather, Tom 2, what's the weather today?
Well, it's colder than before. Today it's -7 degrees Celsius and not good because everyone will not go outside. If you're going outside, make sure you got a hat and warm coat to warm yourself up. Okay, back to you, Tom.
Thanks for the weather. Now we will see you tonight for more information about the Ukraine situation.
Following message has been translated. Request of United Kingdom government, at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, NATO, who was telling us there will be an invasion that is identified. That was the invasion of Ukraine. The Russians got a direct speech 1 day ago and they said, you better watch out Ukraine, as us will attack you. This is what they said, Ukrainians, if you're living on Ukraine, get out of Ukraine immediately. You have 3 days left until Russia's invade you guys. Get out of here what you still can.
The following message has translated request of Ireland government. At 10:40 am Eastern Standard Time, a war is gonna happen at the next 3 days. Get out while you still can, Ukrainians. If you don't, you will risk sudden death. And it said, something rumbled across Africa as well and erupted to be a massive pile of foil roaming around the village of Africa. Africans and Ukrainians, if you're hearing this, get out of there immediately. To someone there is safe space.
Sir, something glitched and something went wrong. Wait, what is that?
Yeah, what is that? Is it foil parts? Definitely foil parts. Let's ask the scientists to discover this.
Sir!
What now?
There is foil parts coming to the tower. Do something quick.
I found it. It's a foil part that turns into hostile.
Come back, player! Mommy wants to give you a hug!
I've just got to reach that elevator! Come on, come on! Close, dang it!
Oh! Drat! 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 Drat!
Hi everyone. Today we got a speech to tell you all. Ukraine and Russia are gonna fight in the next 1 hour. If you get in the war between 15 or 45, you will be in the war. Good luck, all people on America. Stay safe.